Here's a polished and deepened version of your documentary script. Title: The Sunday Prep That Saves 5 Hours a Week. Description: We spend too much time in the kitchen. Discover the precise shortcuts that reclaim hours of your week without sacrificing fresh, delicious meals. What if 15 minutes on Sunday could reclaim 3 full hours? Script: In the heart of almost every home, the kitchen often demands an unseen tax on our time. The average home cook dedicates nearly 8 hours a week to meal preparation, a staggering commitment. Yet, much of this precious time isn't spent on culinary creativity, but lost to the silent thieves of routine, the relentless rhythm of the knife, the repetitive scrub of the sponge. Indeed, a recent 2023 study starkly revealed that roughly 73% of our kitchen time is consumed by dicing, slicing, and post-meal cleanup. These actions, while fundamental, are the invisible drains, siphoning valuable minutes, hour after hour, day after day. But what if a mere 15 minutes on Sunday held the key to reclaiming 3 full hours? The revolution isn't in cooking faster, but in preparing smarter. The secret weapon? Preemptive efficiency. Imagine vibrant piles of fresh produce, all washed, dried, and perfectly chopped for the week ahead. This simple act of batch prepping vegetables transforms daily dinner dilemmas into effortless assembly. Consider the power of a food processor: 10 minutes to perfectly mince a week's worth of herbs, onions, or nuts, replacing 40 minutes of painstaking knife work. Further amplify your savings by cooking large batches of foundational ingredients: a hearty quinoa, fluffy rice, or versatile shredded chicken. The magic truly unfolds when these are immediately portioned and stored. This entire Sunday ritual, often less than an hour's focused effort, can drastically cut your daily kitchen workload by almost 45%. Over 7 days, that's not just minutes, but nearly 5 precious hours returned to your week, fundamentally shifting cooking from a relentless daily chore to an enjoyable, efficient process. But the dividends extend far beyond the mere accumulation of minutes. This isn't just about saving time, it's about reclaiming mental bandwidth, reducing decision fatigue, and empowering yourself with consistent, healthier choices throughout a busy week. When the question of what's for dinner no longer looms as a daily crisis, a quiet revolution takes place. You free up cognitive space for creativity, for connection, for rest, transforming not just your kitchen routine, but the very rhythm of your life. It's an investment in your well-being, an affirmation that efficiency can truly pave the way for a richer, more intentional existence. Visual_terms: Overhead shot of kitchen counter with various meal prep ingredients. Close-up of clock hands spinning rapidly over a cutting board. Animated graphic: 73% of kitchen time equals dicing, slicing, cleanup. Hands quickly dicing vegetables using a sharp knife. Time-lapse shot of a food processor chopping ingredients. Containers of pre-portioned cooked grains and protein. Clean, organized refrigerator with labeled meal prep containers. Person smiling while effortlessly assembling a quick, fresh meal. Person engaged in a peaceful hobby, e.g., reading, gardening, or connecting with loved ones. Animated graphic: tangled, busy thought bubbles over a person's head unraveling into clear, focused lines.